fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys a relaxing decorate with me, and I'm going to be decorating my cabinet, one of my cabinets, over my countertop in my kitchen. So it used to look like those cabinets on the right hand side, and I went ahead and took the doors off, and I just love the way that it looked. And I'm going to be using a few items to decorate it. This beautiful red bowl, which is the Pioneer Woman from Walmart. I'm also going to be using some white dishes. These dishes I got from the Dollar Tree, the white dishes with the gold rim, and then these beautiful milk glass ice cream bowls is what I call them. I got those when I was thrifting, and then I just love these red bowls I got from the Dollar Tree this year. My family absolutely loves them. They are deep. You can use them for cereal, ice cream, whatever. And then I have these ice cream scooper, goblet things that we use all the time. I got this little mug from Walmart this year, and I just love the Christmas cheer message on it. It is absolutely beautiful, and I love it so much. It definitely gives a big impact against all the white, and y'all know I just love using red because I'm a traditional girl. Those white dishes I got thrifting, and then these beautiful Better Home and Gardens plate I got a few years ago actually from Walmart, and I just love the little designs that they have in the salad plates. They are so gorgeous and traditional and beautiful. And y'all know, of course, I love decorating with pine cones, so I had to use them in my decor this year. And then I have this wonderful milk glass planter container. I don't know if I'm actually going to be using those greenery, but I just love the way that it looks with the white. And then this bowl I also got from Walmart a few years ago. And I love the details on this milk glass planter container. It is super stunning, and I got that thrifting. And then I have this soup decanter that I also got thrifting, and I'm going to be doing something pretty simple and special in this decanter. So these are all the items that I have that I'm going to be using for my cabinet, and I just love the way that it turned out. So without further ado, let's get into decorating.
You might think the weather's kinda cold, but you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red.
So if this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana, and I am so happy that you are here. I am grateful that you took the time out of your busy day to spend this moment with me with my Christmas in July video series. I hope that you guys are enjoying it so far. So on my channel, I do a lot of woodworking, DIYs, home decor, seasonal decor. I am so excited because the fall season is upon us, and I am so excited to get some fall content out for you guys. I also do cleaning motivation, decluttering, and yeah, I hope that you guys would consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family here on YouTube. Definitely go ahead and leave your name down in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from and if you are excited about my Christmas in July series. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by today, and I am so grateful, so appreciative. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Whoa, I love it.
Okay, guys, so this is the fourth episode in my Christmas in July DIY and decor challenge, and I am so sad that it's coming to an end. But at the same time, I am so excited because I cannot wait to see what you guys have planned for this episode today. So make sure if you are participating, go ahead and add your videos to the playlist link. Also, make sure that your hashtags are Christmas in July DIY and decor, so that if for some reason you can't add your videos to the playlist, I can find it via your hashtag and then I can add it to the playlist link myself. So I want to thank you guys so much for participating. Don't forget to check down in the description box for the playlist, and also don't forget to join us next week for our last and final episode of Christmas in July, you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for participating and all your wonderful and amazing crafts. Oh my gosh, y'all are so talented. So thank you guys so much, and yeah, let's get back to the video.
Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year. Drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah,
So guys, let me know so far what you think about the Christmas in July series. It's something that I am going to be doing every single year. This is my second year doing it, and I absolutely love it because for those of you that have been with me since the beginning of time, you guys know that Christmas is my favorite holiday. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love Christmas, and I go all out every single year. So let me know what your theme is for this year, what you guys are planning on doing for Christmas, being that everything now is sort of like opening up. Are you guys going to be going to family and visiting with them, or are you just going to be staying home and just make it like, just chill and quiet, I guess. And let me know what your Christmas theme is going to be this year. What colors are you planning on going with? And if you are a traditional red and green Christmas person, or if you're more of a neutral person at heart.
times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today on my Christmas in July series. I make sure that you guys go ahead and add your videos down in the description box in the playlist link. And thank y'all so much for watching. I had so much fun, and I can't wait to see what you guys have done for this episode. So have a wonderful day and Merry Christmas in July, you guys.
Come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the slow is wrong.